How to report TikTok account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can report a TikTok account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you would like to report a TikTok account, just go ahead and launch the TikTok application. Now just keep in mind, I don't have anything against the account that I'm trying to report. I'm just showing it for the video purpose. So if you want to report a certain profile on TikTok, open up their profile here first of all. Then what you will have to do is tap on the share icon located at the top right hand side of the screen. After you have done that, right here at the bottom left, you'll find one option that says report. So tap the little report button there and select your reason as to why you are reporting that account, and then just send your report to TikTok. That's all it takes to report TikTok account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.